Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Facebook's business page. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, you need to switch to your business page. How to do that? Click on your Facebook menu at the bottom right and click on this option called Pages. Once you click on Pages, select which page you want to delete. So I want to delete Food Restro, so I will click on Food Restro and then I will click on Switch at the bottom. Once I do that, I will be switched into my Facebook page. Once I'm over here on my Facebook page, I can click on the menu icon at the bottom right and it's going to bring me to my page menu. Now at the top you can see the setting icon. You want to click on the setting icon. Once you're over here, the first option where it says page setting, you want to click on page setting and it'll take you to your page setting page. Over here, scroll a bit down until you see this option called access and control. You want to click on access and control. Over here, the first option, deactivate and deletion, click on it. Once you do that, you want to choose the second option called delete page because we want to delete our page. Click and continue. On the next step, you can choose anything, but if you don't want to choose anything, you can just click and continue. Over here, if you want to download your page data, you can do that, but if you don't want to, you want to scroll all the way down and click and continue. Once you click and continue, after you enter the password of your Facebook account and click and continue, your Facebook business page will be deleted. So that's how we guys can delete your business page on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. And make sure you type the correct password, because if the password you type over here is incorrect, your page will not be deleted. So hope you type the correct password and your page will delete. And remember, if your page is deleted, you cannot recover it as well. So make sure to make a decision that if you're sure to delete the page or not.